Alright guys, so today we'll be talking about the new Oraimo BoomPop 2, and it comes with some fantastic features that makes it worth buying. In this video I'll be sharing with you unboxing and first impression about this Oraimo BoomPop 2, and this guy comes with the slogan "Rich Beat Beyond All Day." And as you can see, you can sync it up with your Oraimo Sound App as it is written here, and it comes with Harvard based technology. By the side here, you are going to see some features like dual device connectivity, lightweight and flat foot design, powerful deep bass, and charge 15 minutes, play 600 minutes, which is awesome. And last you for 60 hours long playtime, which I'll be confirming in my full review video. So it comes with 365 days warranty also. In case anything go wrong, you can claim your warranty. And let's check by the side here. By the side here, you are going to see Oraimo Smart accessories with the serial number here, and at the back you are going to see the brand ambassador in the person of Burna Boy. And here is just the specs and every other stuff you need to know about the product. Here you can see the authentication center also in case you want to validate it, and by this side is just Oraimo Smart accessories and the QR code for the social media platform, and at the top nothing. So let's unbox this guy. Let's see what's inside the box. Before we continue, I would like to tell you the price. The price is 30,000 naira where I got it from, but it is not online here. So any moment from now, you'll be seeing it online. So you can use the discount code bracket, which is on your screen right now. And this is going to give you 5% discount off once it is on Oraimo eShop website. The discount code works for Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, and Morocco. So please use the discount code and support the channel, and let's unbox this guy together. So here is the content of the Oraimo BoomPop, and the first thing you are going to see here is the welcome guide. You can go through the welcome guide and get yourself familiar with the product. And the next thing you are going to see here is a Type-C cable, a very short one that you can use to boost up or charge up your device. And the next thing you are going to find here is the aux cable, so you can use it with your headphones and laptop together, or you can connect it to your smartphone if it comes with this headphone jack. Okay, and the last but not the least is the headphones themselves, and here is it. So it looks nice. I like this green accent, and it comes with Oraimo branding by this side here, and it's nice guys, it's nice. So you can fold it this way to the position of your hair, and you can go this way also. You can fold it this way, and you can lay it flat if you want it. You can be on a table like this, and you can just keep it anyhow you want it. Now you can expand it here by this side. You can hear that. So this is with metal, or let me say this is stainless. Yeah, stainless steel. And here also you can expand it if you want to. And this place is very cushy, you know. It's very soft. So that's a nice one there. And inside of these headphones you can see something written there. It comes with some information there that says wireless headphones, the model capacity, which is 500 milliamperes, 3.7 volts, 1.8 watts per hour, and input is 5 volts, 500 milliamperes. So what you have to use to charge it up is 10 watts. Don't use more than that. As always, you have to charge it up before the first time use. So you have to charge it up with 10 watts adapter and cable. You can use the cable that comes along with it, which is this, or you get your own cable around. So let's talk about the buttons on this Oraimo BoomPop 2. Here you are going to see the on and off, which you can slide now. You are going to hear power on and power off. That is the prompt, power on, power off. And the next thing you are going to find there is the microphone O, which you can see here. And the next one is the headphone jack, and the next is the charging port, which is a Type-C charging port, and the next one is the indicator, I think. Yeah, that's the indicator. Okay, showing blue, red. I will share with you in my full review what the color of the indicator means. And the next one you are going to see here is the minus button, which is the volume down button. Here will be the mode button, and here will be the plus button. I think this for the controlling of the music, skip forward, skip backward, and every other stuff like that. The second air cup has no button on it, so it's just free. Only the right earbud comes with buttons. Okay, so this is not pressable. So that's pretty much it. As you can see, guys, looks nice actually. If I'm to rate this, I think this is a very good one from Oraimo, though a little bit plasticky, but I think it's a very good one. Let me start charging it and I will give you my first impression right now. Now it is charging. You can see on the headphones the indicator is fading, showing red color. That shows that it is charging. So when it is fully charged, it's going to show blue color, a steady blue color. That means it is fully charged.
A few minutes later.
So here is the headphones. As you can see, the red light is no longer blinking, and I was thinking this guy is going to show steady blue, but it's not showing steady blue. It is off. So I think that means when it is fully charged, it will go off instead of steady blue written in the user manual. Okay, so let me unplug it. So let me switch this on and connect it to my phone here. That is my Samsung. So let's connect it up with our Oraimo Sound App and see how it works. So I'm going to use the visitors mode and I'm going to search for it. Add device, allow, use location, it is switched on. Okay, as you can see, it is showing right on the screen. Here. Okay, I can hear the word connected. So as you can see, it is confirming it here that the battery is 100% fully charged. So I don't have to worry about maybe it is not fully charged. When it is full, that means the LED is going to go off. It's not going to be blue. It is going to go off. So note that. I think it also comes with game mode. So it comes with game mode and I can see that on the pack. So I'm going to be testing that out in the full review video. And here is the equalizer app in case you want to change it to any of these EQ that you want. So here is my first impression about the Oraimo BoomPop 2 headphones. It is lightweight when I first use it, so for the first few minutes I didn't feel any discomfort. They stay put in the ear with little to no force, so the clamping or the pressure is not that much. The ear cups are comfortable and skin friendly. Just for the few minutes I've used it, and it is something I can recommend. And for the sound quality without the EQ, it has bass, it is rich in details and treble. So you are going to enjoy this even without using the equalizer app. But if you feel like you are not getting much of it, you can use the equalizer, which is the Oraimo Sound App. Just go to the equalizer and tune it to your own taste. Aside from that, there is nothing much that I see that is wrong about this. Maybe in the full review, I hope this lives to my expectation. And I'm going to share a lot about it. So subscribe if you have not subscribed, and also use the discount code to get it from Oraimo at a cheaper rate. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, drop it down there in the comment section and I will see you at the next one. Stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.